So I have gotten a lot of questions on how I do my hair, and I figured hair is essentially like another canvas for art. So mine has faded, and I'm going to give you the tutorial on how I do it. It's really easy. It's actually with Overtone conditioner. So it's a conditioner that I deposit on my hair. I use 3 different colors to get my hair to look the way that I want. It's extreme teal, extreme pink, and extreme purple. Oh, big thing, I am not sponsored by Overtone. I do want you to know that. I'm actually just in love with their products. So this is not an ad, this is just, I've gotten a lot of requests, so I wanted to share. It's important to note that my hair is lightened. I have naturally brown hair, so it is a lightened color. Overtone does have ranges of colors for brown hair, so you could try those if you have darker hair. If you have blonde like mine though, or it's lightened, any of these colors should work. So you need these. So whatever colors you choose. I use gloves because it stains my hands pretty bad on these vibrant and extreme colors. And then I use a little bit of extra conditioner and some hair ties. So I'm gonna start by brushing my hair out, and then we're gonna get going. Okay, so I went ahead and brushed my hair out, and I'm going to just start by dividing it into 2 sections. And I start essentially, I know this is an awesome look, so I essentially start with my darkest color at the bottom, which is my extreme teal, and then I go up to extreme purple, and then I do the extreme pink or the magenta. So I'm going to get started. And this is where I start doing the blending. So I get the purple in on the next layer, on the back, and once I feel like it's in all over, and then I use my finger and I blend it down. So like I blend the blue and I blend it up. And it's the same thing. You want to apply your color. Make sure you get it on the back and all throughout your hair. And then blend. So let me come right up here. So blend. So see how that color literally starts to blend into each other? Okay, so I am done. I put my hair ties back in, and look at my hands. So like I said, it does stain your hands. Wear gloves if you don't want hands like this, but I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out just like normal, condition, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and I will see you guys in about a half an hour to show you what it looks like.